Hey everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So today's not a subscription box unboxing, it is a Birchbox haul, so kind of has to do with subscription boxes. So I bought some stuff from the Birchbox website, kind of a lot of stuff. There's like another box in here full of things. And I really want to start getting to use them, so I figured why not open it. There is one thing I have already opened already, which I'll probably show you guys first. But before we get started, I just want to remind you that there are some giveaways going on in our channel. One ends super soon on the 7th, so there's a 5,000 subscriber giveaway as well as the Yod giveaway. They will both be linked down below. I will also leave the pricing information along with some links for the items. I'll leave the Birchbox link as well as like a Sephora or Ulta link in case you're not a Birchbox member or subscriber down below if you want to check out any of the items. But anyways, let's get started and see what I got. The box was so big I had to put it on the floor. But the first item is the one that I already like dove into and opened, and this is the Chai Air Professional Styling at Home. This is a Tourmaline ceramic curling iron. It's 1.5 inches. This is the box it came in. So you guys might have noticed my hair has been like a little bit wavier, curlier the last few days, and that is because I've been using this. I've really been liking it. I wanted to use it today. I just washed my hair, but I'm kind of running short on time. I'm meeting someone for lunch in like 40 minutes or something like that, and I had a little bit of time to film a video, so I decided to do that instead of do my hair. But I have been really loving this so far. I'm still learning how to do it. I'm a newbie with hair, but I was getting really sick of my boring straight hair, so I like how easy this is. My hair is pretty fine, so I just do like 2 sections, curl it with this, and I think it's been working pretty well, but I will keep you guys updated. I'll probably do like a haul update in like a month or so, because I know some people have been requesting that I update you on the items I use. I have an empties video planned soon. I should do it soon, like, because it's getting to be a lot of stuff. Just haven't had the time. So many boxes are coming in. So I'm going to try and keep you guys updated on my reviews of products, just so you know. But let's move on. Alright, so the next thing I grabbed, sorry, you can like see my bra straps, can't you? Is by Beautyblender. I have been using the same one for about 2 months. I needed to replace it, and I thought this one was super cute. The packaging, it says Queen on it, and so it looks like this, like the regular pink color, but there's a crown on top. I love Beauty Blenders so much. I've been using another sponge in the meantime since my last one was just getting too old. I think it's by like Eco Tools, and it's not bad. I just don't think anything really beats this one. If you guys have any other sponge recommendations that aren't $20 that you really love, let me know. So along with the Beauty Blender, I got the Blend Cleanser Solid. This is the best cleanser I've ever used. I had like a sample size I got in my Sephora Play once. So in here it says the ultimate makeup sponge and brush cleaner, and I totally agree, so I couldn't wait to repurchase it. It really does clean your sponges and your brushes so easy. It's like less messy, less time consuming, so definitely excited to have this again. Ooh, the next thing I'm super excited. I think someone actually requested that I get this and review it. This is by Kosås or Kosås. I don't know how to say this brand, to be honest. This is their tinted face oil. So I'm really intrigued and see how this works. This is an 02. That's the tone it says. You can see there. So let's see what this looks like. It says shake well before using. This is a radiance boosting botanicals, absorb, allowing skin perfecting pigment to even and illuminate complexions. Shake well, then gently blend 2 to 4 drops into the skin using fingertips. I think I've seen someone on YouTube use this before, so I am super excited. This is what the packaging looks like. So you get 1 fluid ounce of product, which is typical for foundations. And everything I got today is cruelty free, by the way. I made this purchase after I made the change. But I'm just gonna put like 1 drop on my hand. So it's like a little dropper. And that's what it looks like. They definitely like oil. Hopefully this shade works for me since it seems like very sheer. I'm like blending it out on my hand. I think it might work. So I'm excited to try that out. I really love watching beauty videos, and I want to do more beauty stuff on my channel if you guys are interested. Like, would you guys want me to do like a try on and wear test type thing? I really want to start doing that type of stuff, especially when I buy new foundation. So let me know. Oh, and the next item is the most expensive thing I got, and it is by Sunday Riley. This is the Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Treatment. this is in a bag, let me get it out. But I've been using a sample size that I got, or like a deluxe sample size that I got in my Sunday Riley box, and I love it. And I think it is making a difference. I know I've said many times I'm doing an update skin video soon, but I wanted to get this because this is definitely part of my skincare routine sneak peek. So this is expensive. This is like $105 or something like that for the full size. I'm hoping this one lasts me a long time. So this is what it looks like. So you get 1 fluid ounce in this. I use just like 1 pump with the sample one. So I'll see how long this lasts once I start using it because I use it every day. But I'll talk more about that in my upcoming skincare video. So I'm super excited to get this because I'm running low on my other one. So the next thing I have is also related to brush cleaning. So this is by Sigma, and I've been wanting this for a while. Both items that come in this. This is called the Power Pair. It's you get the F80 flat kabuki brush as well as a Sigma Spa Express brush cleaning mat. So it comes in this bag. Let me get out of the bag so it's not interrupted. So I've heard really good things about this cleaning mat. You just like, it has like little sticky sides so you can put it in your sink. So what I'll do is I'll use this cleanser and then just like rub it in, rub the brushes. See how you can kind of see how they're doing it right there. And I've heard great things about the Sigma F80 for applying foundation. It says the F80 Flat Kabuki is the #1 selling foundation brush. Allure Best of Beauty Award winner, exclusive Sigma fibers, hypoallergenic and antibacterial, and there's a 2-year warranty. Sigma brushes last seriously forever. I've had some for a long time now. And the Sigma Spa Express Brush Cleansing Mat has 7 exclusive textures, secure suction cups, fast and efficient, fits small and unique sinks, 2-year warranty on that as well. So super excited to finally have those. And the next thing, I can't decide if I'm going to save this for a future giveaway, like maybe my 6,000 subscriber giveaway when we get to that point. So I don't think I'm going to take everything out of it, but you know how I love the Birchbox Discovery Kits? This is the Birchbox Tool Kit. It says be ready for any makeup and styling situation with these important extras. So you get a little beauty blender. There's something from Sigma in here. Here, let's just open it and see. How much time do I have? Yeah, I've got like 15-20 minutes. All right, so, oh my god, cool. Oh, I love this brush too. Okay, I don't know, maybe I'll keep, I shouldn't. But this is the E56 Shader Lid Travel Brush. I have the full size of this Sigma brush. There's a little beauty blender. There are some hair clips. The Daily Concept Your Facial Mini Scrubber. There's a silicone sponge, which I don't love, but I've been wanting to try them again, like with skincare. There is the Half Up styling tool. Have you guys tried this? And then there is a brush. So some of these items you will likely see in an upcoming giveaway. Oh shit, I just broke the bag. So the rest of the items are in this box, so let me get this open. All right, so I got some concealers. I've been really wanting some. I'm using up one of my cruelty, one of my cruelty products, like my Maybelline Fit concealer right now, and I don't have too many other concealers like my Tarte Shape Tapes on its last leg, so I wanted to try some new ones. So I got 2 different shades from Wonder Beauty because I wasn't sure what shade I could use. I was thinking maybe I could use one under my eyes and one to cover any blemishes I have. So I have the Wonder Beauty Dualist Matte and Illuminating Concealer, and I bought it in both light and fair. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. I've never heard anyone talk about these before. And I think there's 2 sides, yeah. So there's a matte stick on one end and an illuminating liquid on the other. So like, I'm very intrigued. I've never really used a concealer like this before. But I like how there's 2 options, and then so on that side is the liquid. Let's see what the fair is like. Yep, so they look pretty similar in color, but we will see on the skin soon. And again, this one has that like matte stick and the liquid. So I am super excited to start using these. 2 more concealers. That none of these I've heard, maybe one of them I have heard of, but this is the Winky Lux Peeper Perfect in Light. So this is the under eye concealer. It says awaken tired eyes with this creamy stay put concealer that corrects with full coverage 24/7. So yeah, that is the packaging. Oh, this is super cute. So this matches the rest. So you get a decent amount of product in here, 10 mLs. And this is like a squeezy tube one. So I am excited to try this out. Maybe I'll just swatch a little bit of this one. I didn't swatch the others today. Ooh, it looks like kind of yellow or like dark for under the eye. But again, I'll have to try it out. I will keep you guys updated. And then I got the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer. And this is in the shade Fair Light Neutral. This is the outer packaging. And you get 8 mLs in this one. And here it is. You guys have to let me know if you've tried any of these. If you guys want like a full video of trying all these concealers and stuff like that, let me know. And the next thing I got, I think this was like a free add-on. Like sometimes when you spend a certain amount of money, you can, depending on how much you spend, you can pick something to add into your cart for free. And this is the Smashbox Step-by-Step Contour Palette. This is what it looks like. So I am excited to try this out. It says, in our LA photo studio, we work with light and shadow every day. We packed that expertise into this on-the-go contour kit with blendable powders that define your cheekbones, perfect your nose, and sculpt your jawline. Contour conquered. And then it comes with 3 shades. It says contour, bronze, and highlights. Let's take a look at it and see if it's something that will fit my skin tone. So simple, sleek packaging. Oh, I think these will work. So there's a little mirror in it. There's something over it now, so it shouldn't be too reflective, but these are the shades, and I'm excited to try these out because I think these will be good for my skin tone, especially like that contour shade. It feels really nice too. It's a little dark, but you know, let's see. Bronze. Yeah, the bronze might be like a little warm for me, but definitely will give it a shot. You can barely, it's like a very like matte highlight, but I'm excited to try these out. Hopefully you guys can see there. So that was the last item I got. So that was everything. I think this might have been my like biggest Birchbox haul, maybe. So what am I the most excited to try? I think honestly I'm the most excited to try this Tinted Face Oil by Kosås. I think I've heard good things. I've definitely heard of it. I think it might be really great. I love oils, so I'm super excited to try it out. I'm super excited to get the Good Genes because that's now becoming a favorite of mine. I'm so excited to try all of the concealers and hopefully find my new staple concealer. I have yet to find my perfect concealer ever in life, so I'm still on that search. So yeah, if you guys have any other cruelty-free like concealer foundation recommendations, please leave them down below. But anyways, I hope you like this video. Again, since I don't know all the pricing offhand, I will leave that down below along with links to any of these items if you want to learn more about them, purchase them, whatever. Check those out in the description box. Also, I'll leave those giveaway links. But anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I will see you in my next video. Bye!